What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video we are going to discuss about a really affordable and awesome alternative to Adobe Premiere Pro or any other video editing software, and this is especially useful if you are a YouTuber or if you create videos on a day-to-day basis and you want to make some really minor edits like splitting the clips or syncing video and audio clips or adding some effects to your video. Guys, I used to be a user of Adobe Premiere Pro, and for almost 6 to 8 months I really loved using it, but the only reason I moved to a different software was it was really expensive for me at one point of time. Like, even if you opt for a student plan, you are still paying around 25 bucks a month, which is not really affordable if you have some other subscriptions to different tools, and if you are not generating a separate income of around, let's say, 300 to 400 bucks from YouTube or from any other source. So in order to overcome that, I found this alternative which is called Magix Movie Edit Pro. It is really good and awesome software, and I got it for around 60 bucks. Right now its price is 90 bucks. I got the 2021 version for 60, and you can get the 2022 version for around 90 bucks. It's still cheaper than paying a year of fees to Adobe, which is around $25 for just 1 month. So even if we consider some deals or discounts, and let's say we got 1 month trial period, we are only going to get something around 5 to 6 months in 100 bucks. But with Magix Movie Edit, you can get free upgrade for the next year, and you can also get full year of subscription for just around 90 bucks, and which is really good. And the editing process is also very similar to what we have in Adobe. You might need a day or two to get used to the user interface and to get an idea on how different things work. And that's what I wanted to show you. Like, right now there is a video clip and there is an audio clip. If you want to split this, just press T, or you can split it from here, the symbol of scissors. You can move the clips around, or you can add effects here. There are many different effects which you can access from here. Then there are templates. You can do the same with audio clips. And I guess if you are only using for very minor edits like splitting the clips or adding some effects or adding some presets, then Magix would be a really good option, since Adobe Premiere Pro is more on an advanced level where you are maybe using green screen or you are adding many different types of titles and effects and all those things. So I hope guys you have found this video helpful. If yes, do give a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates, and make sure to check my other videos. I make videos on print on demand, by which you can create some passive income, and about e-commerce stores and some technical stuff related to setting up your e-commerce store.